On which of the following intervals is the graph of the curve y equals x to the fifth minus 5x to the fourth plus 10x plus 15 concave up?
1. X is less than 0. 2. 0 is less than x, which is less than 3. Or 3. X is greater than 3.
The possible answers are A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 3 only, D, 1 and 2 only, or E, 2 and 3 only.
So first, we'll find the first derivative, which is y prime equal to 5x to the fourth minus 20x cubed plus 10. And this was solved using the power rule. Then we'll have to find the second derivative, since we're solving for concavity, which is 20x cubed minus 60x squared. Then we will set y double prime equal to 0 and solve from there. So after setting y double prime equal to 0, you will find the greatest common factor, which is one way of solving it. So in this case, the greatest common factor is 20x squared, which would leave in parentheses x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and positive 3, which are possible points of inflection.
So we're going to create a number line using our possible points of inflection, which is 0 and 3. We're going to use a test value less than 0, which is negative 1. Test value in between 0 and 3, 2. Test value greater than 3, 4. We plug in a negative 1 in our second derivative, we get a negative. We plug in a 2 in our second derivative, we also get a negative. We plug in a 4, we get a positive. That makes our y value concave down because it's negative, concave down as well here because it's negative, and concave up because it's a positive. Y is concave up on intervals (3 to infinity) because y double prime is greater than 0.
That means C, 3 only, is the correct answer because it is concave up at 3 to infinity.